a pond so still blue lived a duck, a friend so tread soft, a gentle waddle, quacky friend, a fluffy model. Quack, quack, by the waterside, wings a flutter, taking pride. Duckling charm so sweet and small, quacky friend, my favorite ball. Bright, bright, yellow beak and eyes so bright, underneath the sun's warm light. Puddles splashes joy in her eyes, quacky friend, a sweet surprise. Quack, quack, by the waterside, wings a flutter, taking pride. Duckling charm so sweet and small, quacky friend, my favorite ball. Morning comes, she greets the day, feathers preened in a charming display. Splish, splash in the pond she play, quacky friend, won't you stay? Bright, 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 bright. Through the reeds and lily pads, quacky friend makes us glad. Quack, quack a lullaby, underneath the vast blue sky. Quack, quack, by the waterside, wings a flutter, taking pride. Duckling charm so sweet and small, quacky friend, my favorite ball. In our dreams she'll softly glide, quacky friend always by our side. Feathers soft